Hey y'all, in this video you're going to learn how to install your Clouser Wig. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and just keep on watching, keep on watching. Alright, so right here in this part, that's me. I hadn't made a wig already. And my dumb self gonna cut the lace. I always do it. I cut the lace before I even put it on my head. But I'm gonna put the link where you can get this hair. It was actually $40, y'all. This is $40 hair. $40 hair. And it's so cute. $40 hair. $40. I can't say that enough. For my family's on. But yeah, so I'm gonna make sure I put everything in there for y'all. And I love the little puffy look. It's cute on big girls, period. Yeah. So just continue to watch. I bet you won't get. Hey. Man, I'm Asian. Y'all, I had to pull out a blue because every time when I pull out a lot, it be look so ugly, and I'm not the bone with baby edges, so you'll see. So first you do, you put your stocking cap on. Make sure your stocking cap is on. Yeah, make sure you line up, y'all. Don't be, you know the little twist in my head, look like little shit loud. Yeah, make sure you cut your ear out, cut that ear out, honey. I'm not ugly. Oh Lord, y'all. The top of my lip went sway water. Y'all look at the top of my lip. It's sway. My lip sway. Oh my God. So make sure you just spray that, spray that on your cap with your got to be green cream spray. And it's the bomb. Spray it down. But make sure you dry it too. My dumb said sprayed, and then I put it the got to be blue gel on there. I had it, and then I put the makeup on there with makeup. Oh my God, it was a disaster. Then I had to dry it off. Y'all gonna see me dry. I'm gonna speed through this part because it get a little crazy, okay? Hold on. Okay, this is the part what I was talking about, y'all. Look how wet that closure. I mean, that ball cap look. Look how wet it look. I did too much on this ball cap. Oh my God. When I'm putting this stuff out, y'all, I literally have no makeup to make up my whole face. I don't know. Don't. That's why I did not put the still so there because it was definitely wrong. But the outcome was amazing. I promise. So with the baby edges, I show y'all a video of how to do that later once I get real good with it now. And see, oh, this it turned out real pretty. And the only reason why I think it turned out pretty because I'm telling you, I had it so thin that you can't really make no mistakes. You gotta have something. You can't really make no mistakes. Y'all look goofy and Nami. What's this game behind me playing that? Where hip growing up hip hop, all that extra stuff right there. But anyway, yeah, those the baby edges, and yeah, they cute. But you gotta make sure you have the baby edges brush and all that, honey. But let's keep it tricky. Alright, so right now what we're about to do is get this makeup done. And I use this good eyebrow pencil. You can get it from the hair store for like $1.99. Sometimes you get it for 99 cents. It just depends on where you at. I got one time too for $1. And I was like, is it right? And yeah, you right. So make sure you line those things up and get that makeup did. Y'all film the speed through this because this is not a makeup tutorial. But you can see what I did. I had to slow that thing down. Y'all don't see my big ass boobs anyway. Oh my god. Why y'all didn't say Georgia put on a bra? I always think I can make all these videos and I'll be recording myself do so much stuff. And I be forgetting I don't even put on a bra. Now my boobs hanging down like the lady from the clumps. It's not my boob. Y'all been not sitting about my boobs. I'm gonna find you now. Let me stop. Dab a lot. Dab a lot. I dab a lot. I'm just saying. This is my favorite artist, Megan. Megan. I love her. Maybe I do need to start doing a makeup tutorial. I'm pretty okay. And the more I do it, the better I get. I might. Y'all. I don't know. Okay, y'all put that line. Okay.
Turn your bitch into a thot like she ducky. If I ever let him eat it, he lucky. Don't want your nigga, but he wanna fuck me. I'ma wake up and go give me some money. He gon' wake up and give me sucky sucky. These bitches scary, they chicken Kentucky. Bitch, I'm from Texas, you know we be bucking. Words like a blade, every beat I be cutting. Drawing the M on his lips, he McLovin'. Bitch, I'm a 10 like I landed and stuck it. If you don't like me, little bitch, you can suck it. All of my haters is crabs in a bucket. Nose in the air cause they fucking disgust me. None of these bitches is fucking with Megan. Bitch, I'm the hottest. The fuck is you saying? I had to hop off the porch and go get it. I went to pick up the torch and then lit it. They tried to tell me I can't, but I did it. When I pull up, bitches look like they shit it. I had to start from the motherfucking bottom. My mama told me to get him, I got him. My granny told me you going to school. Get in that degree, you're making it cool. I have not worked 9 to 5 in a while. I just been hustling, watching it pile. They pulling bitches from link in the bio. You wanna reach out to me, it's a process. I got the middleman, he gotta connect. Bottom line is I'm not easy to contact. Bitch, I'm exclusive like greater. Nigga, I don't wanna talk. Meet me at the bank, show me what you really bout. Niggas ain't real when the shit really count. That's why I keep my little cat in they mouth. Say, bitch, I don't got a cap. Everything I talk, yeah, I really did that. If you want won't beef, then my bitch gon' scratch. I'ma get the money, so I let her handle that. Woo. Free JT, ayy, real bitches fuck with me, ayy. I don't do shit for the free, man. Y'all niggas gotta pay me, ayy. Put some respect on my team, I'm the 1501 queen, ayy. Bitch, you better learn who run it, cause all this money gotta come through me, ayy. I keep it realer than real. Fuck all the critics and fuck how they feel. I'm getting money, it is what it is. They wanna know how I did what I did. Don't worry about why I do what I do, bitch, cause I ain't worried about you, bitch. Nah, I don't wanna be cool, bitch. Still hanging with the same crew, ayy. Cut a nigga off and my checks got bigger. Rich bitch shit got a broke hoe bitter. How to any bitch, I'm the hardest in the litter. If you think she bad, put her in, let me get her. Y'all praising bitches that's doing the minimum. They a real rap bitch, this ain't no pop shit. Ayy, yeah, these hoes know who to play with. On the internet, out with the gang shit. They love to talk hot shit with a lame bitch. But when they come around me, they don't say shit. Ayy, your shit ain't pop, cause it ain't hot. Keep talking trash, I'ma come take your eye straight to the top. You cannot reach me, ain't fucking these niggas, I'm making them eat me. Got that big budget with no major deal. Don't wanna fly out to go eat a meal. I am not signing for less than a meal. If you don't like it, then fuck how you feel. Dreams, fuck with Kel, Jay, Bone, what's the deal? In the session with them bands, bring them guns over here. I keep it realer than real. Fuck all them critics and fuck how they feel. I'm getting money, it is what it is. They wanna know how I did what I did. Don't worry about why I do what I do, bitch, cause I ain't worried about you, bitch. Nah, I don't wanna be cool, bitch. Still hanging with the same crew, ayy.
I wanna do it cause it's funny. It's funny to do bad things, shit.
Nigga, I don't wanna talk. Meet me at the bank, show me what you really bout. Niggas ain't real when the shit really count. That's why I keep my little cat in they mouth. Say, bitch, I don't got a cap. Everything I talk, yeah, I really did that. If you won't beef, then my bitch gon' scratch. I'ma get the money, so I let her handle that. Woo. Free JT, ayy, real bitches fuck with me, ayy. I don't do shit for the free, man. Y'all niggas gotta pay me, ayy. Put some respect on my team, I'm the 1501 queen, ayy. Bitch, you better learn who run it, cause all this money gotta come through me, ayy. I keep it realer than real. Fuck all the critics and fuck how they feel. I'm getting money, it is what it is. They wanna know how I did what I did. Don't worry about why I do what I do, bitch, cause I ain't worried about you, bitch. Nah, I don't wanna be cool, bitch. Still hanging with the same crew, ayy. Cut a nigga off and my checks got bigger. Rich bitch shit got a broke hoe bitter. How to any bitch, I'm the hardest in the litter. If you think she bad, put her in, let me get her. Y'all praising bitches that's doing the minimum. They a real rap bitch, this ain't no pop shit. Ayy, yeah, these hoes know who to play with. On the internet, out with the gang shit. They love to talk hot shit with a lame bitch. But when they come around me, they don't say shit. Ayy, your shit ain't pop, cause it ain't hot. Keep talking trash, I'ma come take your eye straight to the top. You cannot reach me, ain't fucking these niggas, I'm making them eat me. Got that big budget with no major deal. Don't wanna fly out to go eat a meal. I am not signing for less than a meal. If you don't like it, then fuck how you feel. Dreams, fuck with Kel, Jay, Bone, what's the deal? In the session with them bands, bring them guns over here. I keep it realer than real. Fuck all them critics and fuck how they feel. I'm getting money, it is what it is. They wanna know how I did what I did. Don't worry about why I do what I do, bitch, cause I ain't worried about you, bitch. Nah, I don't wanna be cool, bitch. Still hanging with the same crew, ayy.
I wanna do it cause it's funny. It's funny to do bad things, shit.
Alright, look at me.
Like my hair?
I'm so cute. Yay. Okay, I did that. That's the finishing glow. Ooh, now that look good on me. Okay, big girl look good. Can I get a big girl look good? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button there, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. And don't remember, remember, if there's anything that I can improve on, let your girl know. Holla.